Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. Sanjaya said, having spoken thus, Arjuna, chastiser of enemies, told Krishna, Govinda, I shall not fight, and fell silent.
In the previous verse, Arjuna said that there is no profit in this fighting because the other side, they are all my relatives, kinsmen, and by killing them, even if I become victorious, so what is the value? That we have explained, that such kind of renouncement sometimes takes place in ignorance. Actually, it is not very much intelligently placed. So in this way, Eva Mukta, saying that so there is no profit in fighting, Eva Mukta, saying this, Rishikesha, he is speaking to the master of the senses. And in previous verse he has said, Shishrasteham prapannam, I am your surrender disciple. So, Krishna becomes Guru and Arjuna becomes the disciple. Formally they are talking as friends, but friendly talking cannot decide any serious question. When there is some serious matter, it must be spoken between authorities. So, Rishikesham have several times explained, Rishik means the senses, and Isha means the master. Rishika, Isha, they join together, Rishikesh. Similarly, Arjuna also, Guruka, Isha. Guruka means darkness, and Isha. Darkness means ignorance. Ajnana timirandhasya jnananjana salakaya chakshu militam jena tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Guru's duty is, a Shishya, a disciple, comes to the Guru for enlightenment. Everyone is born foolish. Everyone, even human being, because they are coming from the animal kingdom by evolution. So, the birth is the same, ignorant, like animal. Therefore, even though one is human being, he requires education. The animal cannot take education, but a human being can take education. Therefore, Shastra says, Nayana deha, deho bhajang niloke, kastan kaman arhati virujan. I have several times recited this verse. And now, in the lower than human being condition, we have to work very hard simply for 4 necessities of life: eating, sleeping, mating and defending. Sense gratification. Main objective is sense gratification. Therefore, everyone has to work very hard But in the human form of life, Krishna gives us so much facilities, intelligence, we can make our standard of living very comfortable, but with the purpose of attaining perfection in Krishna consciousness. You live comfortably, that's all right, but don't live like animals, simply increasing sense gain. The human effort is going on, how to live comfortably, but they want to live comfortably for sense gratification. That is the mistake of the modern civilization. Yuktahara viharasya yoga bhavati siddhi. In the Bhagavad Gita it is said, Yuktahara, yes, you must eat, you must sleep, you must satisfy your senses, you must arrange for defense as much as possible, not to divert attention too much. We have to eat yuktahara, that's a fact, but not utyahara. Rupa Goswami has advised in his Upadeshamrita, utyahara prayasasta prajalpa niyamagraha laulam janasangascha sarabhi bhakti pranasati. If you want to advance in spiritual consciousness, because that is the only objective of life, then you should not eat more, utyahara, or collect more. Utyahara prayasasta prajalpa niyamagraha. That is our philosophy.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.